Hello, today we will guide you through how to record your video while sharing your screen in Zoom. To get started, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully launched and ready before moving on. This is the starting point for everything else, since screen sharing happens from inside an active Zoom meeting. Once Zoom is open, begin a meeting. If you are just testing this for a demo or practice session, click New Meeting. If you are joining an existing call instead, choose Join Meeting and enter the meeting details as needed. Either option works as long as you are inside a live Zoom meeting. This is important because the sharing controls only appear once the meeting has started. After you are in the meeting, look at the toolbar and click Share Bearer. This opens Zoom's screen sharing menu, where you can choose exactly what other people will see. Taking a moment here to choose the right sharing option can help you avoid showing more than you intend. From this menu, you can select entire screen if you want to share everything visible on your display. This is useful when you plan to switch between different windows or applications during your presentation. Just remember that anything that appears on your screen may be visible to participants, so it is a good idea to close anything unnecessary beforehand. If you do not want to share your whole display, you can instead choose Application Window. This option lets you share only one specific program, which can be helpful if you want to keep the rest of your desktop private and reduce distractions for viewers. Another option is Browser tab. Choose this if the content you want to present is inside a web browser and you want to keep the focus on just that tab. This can make your presentation feel cleaner and more organized, especially when you are showing a website or web-based tool. After selecting the sharing option that fits your needs, click Share to begin sharing. Once you do that, your selected screen, window, or browser tab will be visible in the meeting, while your video can remain part of the session as well. That's all it takes to start sharing your screen in Zoom while staying on video. Before you begin presenting, it is always a good idea to double check what you selected, so your audience sees exactly what you want them to see. With the right sharing choice, your meeting will feel more polished, clear, and professional.